from binary form. So only binary digits consists of zeros and ones, right? Okay, good. And next, octal. If you consider octal, how many it consists of? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, till only 7. 0 to 7. And if I consider the decimal, it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 0 to 9 decimal. Okay. And now only I told you that only binary form can be considerable when we are transferring the message from one machine to the another machine. Machine understands only the binary language. So if binary number is a combination of zeros and ones, if I need to generate some 2-bit, okay, so how could I generate? So suppose by using only zeros, why? Because machine is understanding only the binary form, right? Binary digits, right? So by using 0 and 1, how many 2 bits I can generate? How many 2 bits I am going to generate? There is a possibility of 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, right? So next, if I am going to form 3 bits by using 0 and 1, how many 3 bits can be formed? 3 bits. So I can form like 000, 001, 010, 100, 110, 110, 011, 101 and finally 111. Okay, so there is a possibility of forming 0 and 1 as 3 bits is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So by using 0 and 1, 3 bits numbers I can form is 8 numbers I can form, I can generate. Okay, if I am going to generate by using 0 and 1, I need to define 4-bit. Okay, so by using 0 and 1, if I need to form 4-bit, how many numbers can be formed? I need to know. But if I am constructing the numbers in this way, it's taking too long time, right? So I had a formula that here by using a 0 and 1, there is a possibility of creating 2 to the power of 2. So 4 numbers are created, right? In the same way, by using 0 and 1 combination, if we form 3 bits, there are 8 numbers is generated. So I have a formula here, 2 to the power of n. So 2 to the power of n means 2 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 2 is nothing but 4. So by using a 0 and 1, 2 bits that I can generate are 4. So 4 numbers I can generate. In the same way, by using this same formula here, by using 0 and 1, how many 3 bits I can perform? 2 to the power of n, that is 3 bit, right? 2 to the power of n is nothing but 3. So 2 to the power of 8 is 8. So 8 numbers I can generate. In the same way for 4th one, how many I can generate? 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 is how much? 16. Okay, so in this way you can generate. Clear? Still here, if you have any doubts, please comment so that I can clarify your doubts. Okay? And I told you in clear that this one IPv4 has 32 bit and each IP is divided into 4 parts and one part is having 8 bits and if each part is having 8 bits, total is 32 bit, right? So now each is having 8 bit. 8 bit means every bit it is a combination. I told you before, if say for 2 bit or as 3 bit, 4 bit, every bit is a combination of 0 and 1s, right? So this 8 bit is also, I am taking only one part for only 8 bit. So it starts from where does it start from? 0, right? So 8 0 0 0 0, 8 zeros, 8, and where it's ending? 1 1 1 1 1. So here is the ending. In the same way, once you consider here 0 and 1 is a combination, right? So here we can form, by using 2 bits I can form 4, right? So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. There are these possibilities to form some numbers. In the same way, for 8 bit also had a formula. So what is that formula? 2 to the power of 8. What is 2 to the power of 8? 256. So I can form only 256 IPs. Okay, so converting binary to decimal and check, it is forming only 256 IPs, that is 0 to 255. Okay, so if we have any doubt, just I will give you some clarity. Just go here and just convert binary to decimal. Just type in your Google binary to decimal calculator. It's taking a little bit of time. Yeah, so I'm giving some, so here I am converting from binary to decimal, right? So if I am giving 0 0, I don't know what is meant by 0 0, so I need to convert. So it's 0. So 0 1, convert. So it's a 1. And next I would like to give 1 0. So it is 2. And next I would like to see the combination of 1 1.